Okay, so inside this package should be two blue belt padlocks, blue belt ranked padlocks. Let's see, what are they called here? One is a Lockwood ASSA ABLOY, I believe, which I only just picked a Lockwood from I'm assuming around 1973. The other day. Never really saw one, and then of course I go and buy this, and it's a Lockwood ASSA ABLOY, and I did a little research, and it's an interesting history. It's like three lock companies that over time have kind of become one. Anyway, so and then the other one is this bird. I don't even know how you pronounce it. Watcher. No idea. So whatever. They're both blue belt ranked. I believe the one is German. This one's a combo of multiple different companies, as I was talking about. I think is it a Swedish, a Finland, and I forget where Lockwood is from. But anyway, so Lockpicker's bench. Thank you for the locks. They make it real easy to figure out what is what. Alright, so I guess I can't hide the key on this one. I was hoping to, and actually, which one do I want to pick first? I'm hoping to at least pick one of these, maybe both of them. Maybe I'll stay away from the crazy keyway on that one first. Let's get warmed up. I just did, like 2 hours worth of yard work, so hopefully my hands are up for the challenge here. I'm really excited about this one. Okay, so let me see if I can try to hide this key without looking at it. I know I should probably, of course my computer's turning on here. I probably ought to make sure that it works first. But I believe this is filled with a bunch of spools. But nice looking lock, huh? Definitely got some meat to it. And I think that's the thing, is that they're really well built. So I got a new McTickler here that I wanted to break out for the occasion. And then, let's see, now, sorry for the delay. I have no idea about tensioning on this. Curious about bottom of the keyway. That actually looks like might work pretty good. If I'm getting some false feedback, I'll switch it up to the top of the keyway. But so let's see what we got going on here. Really excited. So like I said, my understanding is that there's spool pins. Let's see if I can zipper to a full set. I feel like it wants to go. Alright, let's see what we got here. Never picked one of these before. Why am I trying to pick one? No idea. Just because it's a blue belt lock, I guess. I can tell I'm getting some definitely some feedback, counter rotation. I keep oversetting something here. I think that may have been a good click. Gotten a couple good clicks so far. That's a good click. That's an overset. Let's see if we can tension bounce out of that one. Yep. Back to our full set. I guess I should try to speak up a little louder. I feel like these videos are always really light. Another good click there. And actually, I'm not even sure. Is this a 6-pin lock? Might be a 6-pin lock. Okay, first pin there. I think I overset it though. Alright, got back. Let's go after that one again. See what happens here. Yep. Alright, I think I got the click out of that one. Back pin. I think I was working on 4 there, but I'm not sure. 2, 3. Oh, I think I slipped. Oversetting. May have to. Oh, got a good click there. So you might have to get a deeper hook if need be. second pin, I think. I think that was a good click. Not sure what's left. I think I picked all the pins. That was second pin. And open. Okay, Lockwood, blue belt. What kind of timing was on that? Not too bad, I'll take it. A little over 5 minutes maybe. Well, that was fun. Let's see, where's that key at? See the bitting. It don't look terrible, actually looks easy. Cool, nice lock. Ooh, I like that, check that out. Boom, snap that lock right back into place. So here's the bitting, if we can get a good look on that. Yeah, I could tell that first pin was a little bit of a higher lift. That was probably the one I kept oversetting. Okay, cool, that one.